Hey, Mandy.
What?
You doing?
I'm watching a bird die.
Oh.
He flew straight into the window and passed out for about 10 seconds. And now he's just laying there. Oh, his mouth is moving now. His beak.
He's probably gonna start gurgling up blood or something.
Nope. Oh, he closed his eyes.
No.
Open up. Come on. Open those eyes. I mean, his chest is still moving.
But really quickly. He can't breathe.
His eyes are closed.
He's
not
freaking
opening
out.
them.
No!
Chest is still moving though.
We killed a bird.
There he
We
is.
killed him.
Chest is still moving. And we didn't do it, okay? He flew into the window.
But I feel guilty.
I don't know why. We were just watching Doctor Who. Maybe he was trying to watch. Maybe he likes the Doctor. He has rolled onto his feet and appears to be getting his bearings. He's alive. What are you looking at? You looking at me? You gonna fly? Do you know how to fly? Fly away, little birdie. Yeah, I don't think he's gonna fly. He's processing. Okay, so I hit a window. I wonder what hurt more, crashing into the window or falling to the cement.
He probably didn't even feel falling to the cement.
He's feeling it now. Why do all my bones hurt? Just fly, okay? I can't walk away until you get in the air.
At least hop off.
Yeah, hop. What is it gonna take to make you fly? He has hopped onto the tree. He's climbing a tree now. What is he doing? Also, this is not looking out the window very well. Hello. Rebekah, he's up on the tree. Which I still can't see. Your camera does not appreciate this window. Hey, little guy. So glad you're alive. I cannot tell you how happy I am that you are alive. Okay, he's alive. She's fallen asleep on me.